Let's take a look at what Tesla did today. So we are up $19.43, 5.77%, closed at 355.94. Post-market, we are down by 40 cents. So let's take a look at what this means on the chart. Yeah, let's go back to the facts. We are still in our downward channel. Tesla is still short-term going down. Longer term, it has been going up since April of last year when we were at 140. It made a nice run. Overall, this is the big bullish channel that we are in, that one right here. And since we have gone to the other side of the channel, this is the channel right here, the resistance side of the channel, for a couple of days, we went outside and then boom, we came back down. So right now, after the big move down we had since December from 484 to not too long ago, 326. So now we are rebounding. We are rebounding on 326.34. That's the number we were looking at. So we are rebounding. So this rebound technically does not mean that Tesla is continuing higher. It just means that this is part of the volatility of the stock. This is the volatility of that stock. It can move from this point here, 310 to 360. It can move $50 in one day. This is its volatility. So right now we are seeing just the volatility of Tesla happening. So you can make money on that volatility if you speculate a little bit. If you go on the 1 hour chart, yes, there was a buy signal today on the 1 hour chart. A buy signal means that this is a move outside of the normal volatility. This is a way for us to de-risk a little bit and look at a move that's not volatility induced. Because if it's volatility induced and you buy into it, it can reverse on you like nothing. It can just reverse on you because this is what volatility is. It's noise. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, and goes down. And if you try to trade it that way, you can succeed sometimes, but you can get burned some other time. Instead of doing that, instead of chasing the candles, we are trying to de-risk the whole thing and look at, okay, there's a move up. Is this part of the noise volatility, or is it significant enough that maybe this is indicating that something else is happening? This is how I define a buy signal. It's a move that is significantly outside of the noise. On the 1 hour chart, today we had stochastic. I'm going to write this down. Stochastic. You know, in French, we don't use these big accents. Catholic, stochastic. In French, we don't say that. Instead, in French, we say Catholic, stochastic. It's all pretty fast on the same tone. So this is why sometimes people don't understand when I say stochastic. Stochastic. Anyway, so here today on the 1 hour chart, we have a significant move. And it's significant because it's outside of this downward resistance that we had. I told you what I consider a significant move. Outside of a downward channel, we had that even yesterday. Then we like to wait for a break of horizontal resistance, which we had today. And we also wait for a break of stochastic above 60. We had stochastic above 60 today. So on the 1 hour chart, we have a buy signal on the 1 hour chart because it's a significant enough move up that there could be something to it. And I give those hourly signal when there are some on my Discord channel. If you want to get those, you need to go on the Discord server. You need to become a community member. On the buy alert membership, I give the daily buy signals. This is a buy signal on the 1 hour chart, and the buy signal happened after that big green candle happened, and it means that an entry at 355. Again, a buy signal is when the move is significantly big so that it's not just noise, it becomes a signal. Right now, the signal is still valid because we are at what? At 355.94, so it's pretty much at the same place where we were. Stop loss would be at 347, but then we have a problem. So the buy signal is one thing. Then what's the target? The first problem we can encounter is, again, at 360.65. We stopped there on our way up. We stopped there briefly on our way down. So we could be stopping there also on our way up again. This is a buy signal here. Right now it's here, which is pretty much equivalent. And we have a resistance there, and we could be caving in there. It's not the best. It's not a buy signal that has a clear field of view. The field is not clear. You can still chance it. It can still break, but it can still cave in. So just realize that. If you are okay with that, I'm fine. I am not giving you financial advice. I am giving you the lay of the land. I am telling you where the mines could be. And maybe there is no mine, or maybe the mine is all rusted and it does not work. If we pass 360.65, then this hourly buy signal is going to have a better outlook because we have some clear now. We could go up to 378, maybe pushing it to 384 before having a reality check. Are we going to cave into this or not? So these are all uncertainties. Each time you see a red line, this is uncertainty. If you don't see a red line, there's less uncertainty. This is the best way I can explain it. So yeah, on the 1 hour chart, maybe there is a little bit of a swing here. Of course, you could have chanced it right here. You could have chanced it by buying on support. It would have been a nice run. From 326 to 350, that's $25. You could have chanced it. It could have worked against you, and this time it worked for you. So it's fine. Yeah, this is the lay of the land right here. And on top of it, we have Tesla stock above the 21-day moving average. It's above the 21-day moving average. So this is also good. If you want to play intraday Tesla, check for 360.65 tomorrow. And if it starts above, then you can chance it. On the daily chart, we have less buy signals available to us, but when we have them, they go farther. So right now on the daily chart, we have no buy signal. I don't think we are going to get a buy signal until a couple of weeks, I would say, because we need to break this. The same rules apply. We need to break this downward resistance. Then, so I don't know when this is going to happen. Then we need to break the next horizontal resistance, which might be this one right here at 388.73. So that would be a buy signal right here. And then we could take a swing, ultimately maybe up to 500 or just caving in a little bit lower than that. So this is what's in store for the daily chart. This is why you need to watch this channel every single day, because we are checking it every single day. And if you enter on the 1 hour chart, like I said, and it starts to go a little bit higher, wait a little bit to see if it breaks it. If it breaks it, then you can transform the trade from a 1 hour chart trade to a daily trade. And then you have entered at 360 instead of 388. So that's not too bad. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. The VIX going down. We like this, 0.79 down, almost 5% down. We love this. 10-year bonds, nice move down today, down 2%. We are at 4.533. We love this also. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Nice bounce on support. Look at this. We almost broke below, but now we are recovering a little bit. SPX, okay, look at this. We were into this downward channel. We are no longer into this downward channel. So this is great, 1% up. Things are looking better. NASDAQ, 1.42% up. We are going to be testing soon if we can break 122 right here. This is our resistance. And last but not least, Russell. Okay, Russell was outside of the bullish channel. I need to put that line back to green. And this one, we need to break 23.25 in order to have a buy signal. Let's take a look at the market in general. Look at this, a lot of green, just a little bit of black. Black is good. I prefer black to red. So very nice. So fantastic. Also, yesterday we had some bad news about the inflation rate and everything. So maybe this is what put a damper on what happened yesterday. But today, it was a pretty good day. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.